And close coordination between the COMELEC, PNP, and AFP ensure the peaceful and orderly conduct of the just concluded midterm elections. The full story from Dina Pagibitan.
Compared to the 2010 elections, the 2013 midterm elections were more peaceful. AFP Public Affairs Office Chief Major Ramon Zagala attributed this to the close coordination between the armed forces of the Philippines, Philippine National Police, and COMELEC to ensure safe and honest elections.
Handa ng AFP kasi nagsimula nung bago pang mag-umpisang eleksyon. Ang ating mga unified commanders ay gumawa ng kanilang mga plano to ensure na itong ating eleksyon ay safe.
Major Zagala admitted there were attempts by rebel groups to sabotage the election, like the ambush stage by the NPA in Kalinga, where 3 soldiers on poll duties were killed. Government forces, however, foiled an attempt by the rebels to launch violent activities in Quezon and Bulacan provinces.
At dahil katulong natin ang taong bayan na nagbigay ng information sa atin at katulong natin ang Philippine National Police, ay tayo gumawa ng joint operations kasama ang Philippine National Police. At dahil dito, na-aresto natin itong mga miyembro ng New People's Army na may balak sana na gumawa ng kaguluhan itong eleksyon.
Zagala also reported the capture of 21 NPA members in 3 encounters. Likewise, Major Zagala assured that soldiers will remain in their areas to secure people even after the elections.
Hindi kasi tapos sa eleksyon ay pull out na sila. Siguro pull out sila sa mga polling precincts as security, but they will continue to stay in the area to operate. Because security is always a concern of the AFP.
For People's Television, Dina Pagibitan.